We spent 30,245 pesos all in expenses for our DIY Hong Kong Macau trip for 5 days and 4 nights. Here's the breakdown. So pre-flight expenses namin, total of 7,482 pesos, and yan yung mga inclusions. And then of course our Wi-Fi shared by 2 packs. We got the Song Wi-Fi, unlimited na yan, so sobrang sulit. 15 packs nga pala kami nag-travel guys, and for our accommodation, we only paid 3,900 pesos per pack. Then for our day tour in Macau, free yung turbojet namin. And yung mga expenses namin dito from our pocket money na to galing. Free lang yung mga bus dito, so around 1.5 lang nagastos namin including our lunch. And then for our Disneyland, yung ticket namin was tier 2 ticket for 4,657 pesos. I got the ticket nung Klook Travel Fest kaya medyo discounted siya. And then of course, yung aming food voucher, yung lunch or dinner lang yung kinuha ko, 1,332 pesos. Plus, may popcorn or ice cream pa yan nakasama. Pili ka lang. But I highly recommend you get na the lunch plus dinner set plus snack. Kasi magugutuman talaga kayo dito. Pero pwede namang magpasok ng food from outside. Malalaki din yung mga serving ng mga food nila guys. Kaya yung iba naming pagkain, sharing lang kami. Then for our last day, we got the Peak Tram ticket for 970 pesos. And then one way yung Pink Crystal cabin cable car, 1,332 pesos. And then nagbus na lang kami pabalik ng City Gates outlet. For our pocket money, nag-alat kami ng 10,000 pesos per pack. Doon nagaling yung aming transpo, food, and yung mga biniling pasalubong, and some shopping. And that's it for our Hong Kong Macau trip. Para mas makatipid pa kayo, you can use my Klook promo code FLOWKAINGLETKLOOK for your Klook hotels and activities. More of our Hong Kong trips sa mga susunod na araw. Bye!